Okay, so this is just about the vocabulary parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines. Now, parallel and perpendicular we know well. Parallel lines are lines on the same plane that do not intersect. And so if we looked at this picture, AE, that line segment, AE I said, line AE, which is right here, is parallel to HW, which is a little strange. But they are on the same plane if we look at the plane that cuts diagonally through the square, and they are parallel because they'll never meet no matter what. If we squish the box, they never meet. Perpendicular we know pretty well also. Perpendicular lines are lines that meet at a right angle. So going back to line segment AE, it's right there. There are two line segments that are lines that are perpendicular to it, EG and AE is also perpendicular to AC. And so we've got that forming a right angle being perpendicular. We already know that. Skew lines are a little different. Skew lines are lines that do not intersect, like parallel lines. Let's go ahead and write that down. That's terrible. Lines that never intersect, but they're not parallel. So how does that happen? Well, let's go back to line AE. So AE is skew with FH. And they're skew because the reason they don't intersect is because they are on different planes. So parallel lines don't intersect, but they're on the same plane, and skew lines never intersect because they're on different planes. You can see how plane AE is on the plane on the top or this plane here on the side. And FH is not on the plane on the top, not on that plane, it's over here on this plane or this plane. So they're on different planes, and that's why they don't intersect, because they're on different planes. And then we've got parallel planes, which is exactly what it sounds like. So you have plane. So let's go ahead and highlight this plane here at the top. I'll use a different color than gray. This plane here at the top is parallel to the plane at the bottom, so like the ceiling is parallel to the floor. Parallel plane is pretty straightforward stuff. Now just keep in mind this helpful hint. Segments or rays are also parallel, perpendicular, or skew if the lines that contain them are parallel, perpendicular, or skew. So we can say the same thing about parallel lines and planes. So when we are saying skew, we just write the word skew here. So that's it, just some basic vocabulary.